So in this video we are trying to find which term of this series is its first negative term. So before doing anything, we can start by writing given. What we have the first term, which is a 124. We have the second term, so we definitely have the difference, which is 118 minus 124. It's -6. Okay, so it's decreasing, and that's how we are going to reach to negative numbers later. So what we can consider is, there's somewhere when we keep on going we will reach 0, right? And the term just next to the 0 is going to be the first negative term. So let's take 0 as our nth term. Okay, let's take 0 as the nth term, and the next term, if we'll get n as a whole number, then the next number would be the first negative term. If we'll get n as decimals or a fraction, it could happen because we are not sure 0 is one of the term in this series or not, but we know that this series will definitely cross the 0 mark somewhere. So that's what we are going to do. So after crossing the 0, the next term, whichever will be, is going to be the first negative term. So in that we have to take let the nth term is 0. Okay, so nth term is given by a plus n minus 1d, and we are considering it to be 0. Let's substitute all the values. So 124 plus n minus 1 times -6 equals 0. We can write it as -6 n minus 1 equals 24. We'll go to the other side, -124. We can cancel, they're both negatives. They both are negative on both sides. So what we have now is n minus 1 equals 124 divided by 6. You could open the bracket, it will just take a little longer, so I prefer doing this way. What I found is that this is not divisible by 6. Okay, it says 0, so it could be. So let's divide this by 6. So 6 times 2, 4 doesn't goes by 6, so 0 times. We still have 4. We'll go with the decimal 40. 6 times 6 is 36. Again we have 4, so it will just keep on going with 666. So let's conclude it with 67, and this side we have n minus 1. So n is 20 plus 1, so 21.67. So we found it. So we found 0 between 21st and the 22nd term. And why I can say that? Because we know that in a series, in a sequence, the number of terms is always fixed, is always a whole number. So we found that the 21st term, and between the 22nd term we found 0. Okay, we found 0 between 21st and the 22nd term, somewhere here in between them. So definitely the next term from here, so the next term from here is 22nd term. So the 22nd term is going to be the first negative term in this AP. That's it for this problem. You can subscribe to find more videos. Subscription is free. You can simply subscribe and you will get the notifications for the uploaded videos, and you can watch more videos like this on this topic. Even if you have some difficult problems which you are struggling to solve, you can just share it on the comment. If possible, I will try to solve them and upload the video for you. See you in the next video.